I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Thursday, the 9th of September. Hot, muggy conditions continue. Maybe a few scattered showers and storms around during the afternoon, and perhaps some changes late this weekend. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. First off, coming from Tuscaloosa. That's from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. Alabama and Penn State playing down there Saturday evening. There might be a shower or storm around during that game. You'll see that here in just a little bit. There's the Starkville, Mississippi Skycam, and by golly, there's a game over there tonight. Auburn will take on the Bulldogs at 7 o'clock. A little Thursday night special, and it's going to be awfully warm and muggy. Temperatures in the 80s for that game, and there is some risk of a shower or storm, mainly during the first half, but it'll be pretty spotty. I don't think rain will be a big deal. And off in the distance there, you can see Scott Field, where the game will be played. And up north, that's the Huntsville Skycam. Downtown Huntsville, the sky mostly fair. There's a water vapor satellite shot this morning. Big trough out west. What's left of Hermine is around Tulsa and Fort Smith, Arkansas. And down here, we've still got ridging. Convective outlook today, got a slight risk way up north. Tomorrow, a slight risk over the center of the nation around Kansas City and Wichita. And on day 3, which is Saturday, we've got low-end 5% severe weather probabilities down into North Alabama with a surface front coming in here from the north. And again, that might give us a little increase in the number of scattered showers and storms Saturday afternoon or Saturday night. Here's the QPF chart. Rain for the next 5 days. Heaviest rain with Hermine over southern Missouri, over into Kentucky and northern Tennessee. And down here, that's suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1/2 inch. And this is valid through Monday evening of next week at 7 o'clock. Tropics. Igor in the far eastern Atlantic is the one to watch. What's left of Gaston just not happening. Down there south of Hispaniola. And we'll have to watch that little disturbance around the Windward Islands. That kind of grabs our attention. There's the enhanced view. And again, you can see Gaston there coming across the central Caribbean. No sign of development. But the one down there just off the coast of South America, that would seem to have a little better chance of developing perhaps, and it's not encountering drier air down there. We'll see. We'll watch that. There's Igor, the tropical storm in the very far eastern Atlantic, just southwest of the Cape Verde Islands. Modeling. Moving it generally to the west-northwest. Notice some models bend it northward in about 5 days. And the intensity scheme, look at the no gaps. What's up with that? Keeps it a tropical storm, and then boom, it just kills it in a few days. But most all the models ramp this thing up to a pretty big hurricane. There's the official track from the Hurricane Center. They've got it just after midnight Monday night, approaching 50 west. And the GFS continues to strongly suggest this is going to be a recurving storm, not affecting the United States. Is that locked in stone? No, it's not. But let's take a look. This is the OZGFS valid at 1 o'clock today. Pretty good amplitude in the westerlies to the north. We've got a flat ridge here across the deep south. And down below that today, probably like yesterday. Low 90s, a few spots getting an afternoon storm. But they'll be pretty scattered. And there's Hermine with rain over Missouri and Arkansas. By the way, let's peek at that current analysis. That's where it is this morning. The circulation center is near Oklahoma City with the most widespread rain over far northeast Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas, south Missouri. Man, that thing produced some wild weather in Texas yesterday. A series of tornadoes near Dallas-Fort Worth between 5:30 and 6:30 yesterday. There's tomorrow. No big change. Again, low 90s. Hit and miss. Widely scattered afternoon storms. Now, Saturday, you can see that strong trough north of us. We've still got ridging down here, but down below that, a surface boundary shows up from near Minneapolis down to around Oklahoma City. And in advance of the surface boundary, there could be a general increase in the number of scattered showers and storms. Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. Doesn't mean the rain's going to be widespread, probably not, but a little better chance of getting a shower or storm. And that's why we mentioned that chance of some rain during the Alabama-Penn State game. So just keep that in mind. And then Sunday, the model continues to suggest the air dries out a little bit here. with the front getting down toward the central part of the state. And if that's the case, any showers should be over South Alabama. Monday of next week, dry. And then look, not really cool like Labor Day, but night should be a little cooler because the air is drier. Say lows between 60 and 65, maybe upper 50s for the cooler valleys, and highs upper 80s to near 90. Tuesday of next week, we're dry. Wednesday stays quiet. And a week from today, look at the trough over the east. And a new surge of cooler air tries to drop down in here. So temperatures slowly trending down next week. Slowly trending down. That's the key. A week from tomorrow, there's Igor in the Atlantic, well east of the United States. And over that following weekend, Igor recurves, moving north, and then it kicks out. So the GFS has been very persistent in the idea. And look at that deal down there around the Yucatan Channel on the 19th. That's the wave that's over the Windward Islands now, and you can see that thing's coming right up toward the Gulf. So I'm just saying, let's watch that. Then 5 days later, on the 24th, pretty good little trough to the north, and evidence of maybe a surface boundary passing through here. We'll see. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And if you are local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.